From zero to AI hero with the right roadmap, anyone can achieve success in AI industry. Hello, wonderful attendees. I'm your host, Dalvinder Kaur from Lovely Professional University. Get ready to dive into today's topic, that is from zero to AI hero, a roadmap to successful placement. Before we proceed further, allow me to introduce the experts of the day. Dr. Ankita Vadwan, Assistant Professor, School of Computer Science and Engineering, Lovely Professional University. With over 10 years of teaching experience, she holds a PhD in Computer Science and Engineering from Thapa University. Her expertise spans artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. So now I would like to introduce Mr. Ziad Madhuwala, Journal Manager, Tech Uni Academics, Future and Technologies. He has trained over 700 professionals and students in data analysis and machine learning. He is skilled in tools like Power BI, SQL, and advanced Excel. And now I would like to introduce the admission nominee also in this webinar, Ms. Asha Rani, Assistant Professor and Coordinator, BTech, MTech, ECE, PhD, ECE, Department of Communication, Division of Admissions, Lovely Professional University. Before we proceed further in today's session, I would like to request everyone for any questions you can write in the chat box or in the Q&A box, and same will be addressed from my side in the end of this webinar. And now I hand over the things to Dr. Ankita and Mr. Ziad, and it would be an absolute delight to listen from them. Over to you both.
Good morning, everyone. I am Dr. Ankita Vadhavan. I am Program Coordinator of this program, BTech CSC in AI and Data Engineering. So nowadays, everybody is very passionate about AI. And this program is totally based upon artificial intelligence and data engineering. In this, you will be able to explore new concepts that revolves around the data. So today, we all have joined here to explore, learn, share, and grow together in the ever-evolving field of artificial intelligence. Now, our main focus is to make you people future ready. So let's dive into the ultimate AI learning roadmap from zero to AI hero. Now I'm handing over to Mr. Ziad. Ziad, sir.
Yeah, thank you, Ankita ma'am. So hi guys, good morning to all of you. So I'm Ziad. I'm General Manager of Future and Technologies. So this particular program of AI and D is in tie-ups with Future Ends company, right? So it is important for you to understand what are the benefits of the program. Okay, what is Future Ends? What is the role of Future Ends in your curriculum? Okay, so before enrolling into the program, it is important for you to know the exact roadmap. Okay, so this webinar is specifically scheduled to clear all your doubt regarding this. Okay. So what would be the agenda of today? So first we are going to see about Future Ends company, right? After that, we are going to see what are the benefits of this particular program of BTech CSE, Artificial Intelligence and Data Engineering, right? Then we are going to see who exactly are data scientists, data engineers, and data analysts, right? Then what are the tools and technologies that you need to learn if you want to enter into AI? Then we are going to see about Gen AI. Then I will show you your seniors, right? You would not be the first batch who would start in LPU, right? So I will show you that who are your seniors, and you can also connect with them for any queries. Plus, I'll also inform you about the market demands and salaries. Then I'll show you the wonderful office of Future Ends, which is located in Bangalore, Delhi, Mumbai, etc. So this would be the agenda. So first of all, what is Future Ends, right? So Future Ends, the tagline of Future Ends is Godfather of Talent. Okay. So Future Ends handle various verticals. Okay, 4 to 5 verticals. So the most important verticals of Future Ends company is, so Future Ends is a company which is handling this program with LPU. Okay. So what does Future Ends do? So first thing is Future Ends has collaborated with various universities. Okay. So first vertical is Future Ends campus. Okay, so collaborating with various universities, one of the university is LPU. Okay, so here we redefine the BTech degree by integrating various benefits for the students. Second is Future Ends Uni or Future Ends University. So in this vertical, Future Ends has collaborated with top IITs. So after completing your BTech, if you want to study into some IITs in which Future Ends has collaborated, so this part would also be relevant for you. Okay, because many of you might have missed your dream, right? I studying into IIT. So this is one of the verticals specially designed for that. Third one is US pathway. For example, let's say in third year you decide that you want to go to USA, but obviously the cost of living is very high. The cost of studying, living there is very high, right? So there is also a vertical for you. Okay, but that is a topic of some other time. So this is about future ends. Plus, future ends has also tie up with Fortune 500 companies, right? So you would be getting placement through future ends also into various partners which are Fortune 500 companies, right? Now, what are the key highlights of this program? Okay, so in this particular program of artificial intelligence and data engineering, you would be getting 3 internships with a stipend. Okay, so all of you might be will be doing 3 internships under future ends, and you would also get stipends. Plus, you will get mentorship by the top industry experts. So there will be a regular connect with the top industry experts who are working into AI domain, and they would mentor you, they would guide you that what skills you need to get, what are the projects that you need to create, etc., etc. Third thing is project based learning. So whatever learning we are going to do, we would be doing hands on with projects. We would be creating at least 8 to 9 projects every semester. Okay, so for each subject every semester you have to create 8 to 9 projects. Now, who are data scientists, data engineers, and data analysts? Okay, so AI, artificial intelligence, is not a job role. It is a very broad term. Inside AI, there are various domains such as data scientists, data engineers, data analysts, AI engineers, ML engineers, Gen AI architects. So these are the job roles under AI. Okay. So the role of data engineers, data scientists, and data analysts is to collect the data. So everything is data, right? There cannot be AI without data. Okay. So major role of these job domains is to gather the data, maintain the data in a proper format. Okay, formatting the data so that other people can analyze the data. Then we have to analyze the data. Okay, so analyzing the data, we have to get the insights from the data, what the data is trying to say. Okay, suppose we have a data of Amazon company. So using the data we have to analyze, okay, that whether the sales are increasing or not, what are the top selling products in Amazon. So we have to do analysis of data. Then we also have to apply some models on the data to do predictions. Okay, so we have to predict what is going to happen in the future. So all these comes under these data related fields. Okay, there are many steps involved which you would get to know once you join the program. Okay, but these are the job domains under AI. Now, moving forward, what are the skills that you need to have if you want to enter into data science or AI? Specifically for data science, these are the skills that you need to have. You need to have understanding of Python, SQL, NumPy, Pandas. So NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, Seaborn, machine learning, deep learning, advanced statistics. So these are all the tools and technologies that you need to learn if you want to enter into data science or AI job domain. Okay. Then we have data engineer. Okay. So role of data engineer is to collect the data and maintain the data. Okay. So data engineer's role is the first step. Collecting the data from various sources, maintaining the data. Now, once the data is collected and maintained, it is the role of data analyst and data science to analyze the data. Okay. So data engineers, so if you want to become a data engineer, then these are the tools and technologies that you need to learn. Okay. So all these tools and technologies will be covered in your 4 years of learning of BTech. Okay, all the tools like Python, SQL, all the data science tool, all the data engineers tool like Spark, Big Data, Hadoop, data warehousing, ETL, Scala, AWS, data modeling, etc. Everything will be covered. Then we also have one more domain, Gen AI. Okay, generative AI you can consider like ChatGPT. Okay, ChatGPT is also an application of generative AI. So we will explain you how to create applications related to generative AI. Okay, so now we don't have to use ChatGPT. We have to learn how to create ChatGPT. Okay, how to create applications like ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Mid Journey, Sora. So we will learn how to create these kind of applications using Gen AI. Okay. And these are all the tools and tech stack that we have to learn. LLM models of Google, Meta, OpenAI. So these are all the models that we have to create. Plus, we also have to create some end-to-end projects. Okay. So we also have to create projects. Just learning the tools are not enough. Okay. We also have to spend some time in creating the projects which can be used by people. Okay, so these are all the skills that you are going to learn in your 4 years. Plus, there would be some extra things also, such as cloud AWS, Microsoft Azure, Google GCP, Google Cloud. Okay, so all these things also you are going to learn. Okay, so there are a lot of things which we are going to cover in these 4 years to make you job ready in the field of AI. Okay. Now, what will be the focus area in these 4 years? Okay. So, in these 4 years, we are going to focus majorly on these 6 things. Okay. First thing is training. So, we will provide you top-notch training on all the tools which I mentioned. Okay. All the tools of data science, AI, data engineers, Gen AI, all these tools, we will provide you top-notch training. Second is industrial projects. So, every semester, you have to create 7 to 8 mini projects and 1 or 2 industrial projects. Okay, industrial projects are based on real mock data of industries. So we will be providing you projects. You have to create it and submit it to your leader, okay, or to your teacher, to your trainer. Third thing is internships. So we would be providing you 3 internships under Future Ends company. So everyone has to do internships, right? So this would be a major focus area for these 4 years, internships. Fourth thing is LinkedIn profile. So we will help you build a network on LinkedIn so that you don't need to depend on university or future ends for job. Although we are providing you jobs, but we will create such a strong network that once you leave us, I mean, because let's say we will provide you job, but let's say after 2 years you want to switch your job, then how will you find the job? Okay, so we will help you create a strong network on LinkedIn so that you don't need to depend on anyone for jobs. Okay, and you maintain your brand identity. So you have to create a personal brand on social media. So this is what we are going to focus on. Fifth thing is GitHub. So GitHub is also a very top-notch thing. Okay, so in GitHub we will host all your projects and learning. So whatever you are going to learn, whatever projects you are creating, we will upload that on your GitHub profile. Okay, because GitHub profile and LinkedIn profile are very important. These two profile link we have to add it in your resumes. Okay, so I would suggest whatever program you are choosing. Okay, does not matter if you are choosing this program or some another program. Okay, create your LinkedIn and GitHub profile now only. After this webinar, go and create these two profile first. Explore these two things. Okay, these will be the most important things for your placement. Next is mentorship. Okay, we would help you in mock interviews, resume creation, projects, everything, training. So we would give you mentorship through industry experts. Okay, so industry experts will connect with you on internships or into campus and will provide you mentorship. So these will be the focus areas. So you can also see some pictures. Okay, these are some pics of your seniors. Okay, so we can see we are a family. Okay, the students are our family. We stay together. We do activities together. Okay, we eat together. We learn together. We grow together. Okay, it is not like only we are teaching to students. Okay, many a time students are also teaching something to us. Okay, because students are very curious of our program. Okay, they are very curious. They would search different things on internet. They would come up with new project ideas, new concepts. So sometimes students are the ones who are teaching us something. Okay, so we need the curious students. That's why we are keeping interview also, right? So in the interview we see the curiosity level of student. We don't care if the student has knowledge or not. We want students who are curious and who are ready to invest themselves into AI. Okay, so you can see some Viva is going on with the students. Okay, we are laughing and taking the Viva, so it is not a very serious situation. We are chill in the classes. Okay, we are like brothers to our students. Okay, and you can see these are your seniors. Okay, taking a picture together. Okay, and this is orientation session of your seniors. Okay, so these are some pics. Okay, I'll also share you LinkedIn profile of your seniors. Okay, so these are some of your seniors. This is Yashvi Sharma. I'll open LinkedIn profile. You can also connect with them and ask them questions if you want. Okay. So this is one of the seniors, Yashvi Sharma. You can check the link on LinkedIn. Okay, so Yashvi Sharma, B.Tech student. Okay, in Lovely University and Future. So you can go to their profile and see what projects they have created. Okay, you can go to the post section. Okay, there is a post section here. You can go to their post section. So whatever projects they are creating, they are posting it on LinkedIn. Okay, so you can see whatever projects they have created in their. So this is first year. These are first year students, right? So whatever they have done in their first year, everything would be visible on their LinkedIn profile. Okay. Okay. Similarly, you can search these 4 guys on LinkedIn and see Yashvi Sharma. You can take a screenshot. Okay, Yashvi Sharma, Mohit Krishna, Manish Mishra, Badal Prasad Singh. You can search them on LinkedIn and see what your seniors are doing. Okay. Now coming up to internship part. So you have to do 3 internships under Future Ends, and all the internship will be stipend based. Okay, you would be provided stipends for all the 3 internships, and each internship would cover different job roles. Okay, so as I mentioned, right, AI is not a job role. Inside AI, the job roles are data engineers, data analyst, data scientist, AI engineer, ML engineer, Gen AI architect. So each industry will cover different parts of job roles. So you get trained in all the job domains related to AI. Okay. Now internship focus. First internship will be in second year. Okay, so when you are into second year, you will have your first internship. First internship will cover data engineering job domains. Data engineering job domain. Second internship will be in third year. That would cover your ML and data science. Okay, everything about data science and ML part. Third internship would be in your seventh semester. So whole seventh semester, whole 6 months, you would be doing internship under Future Ends, and that would cover all the part of DE and AI job roles. Okay, so all the industry will have a different job roles associated with it. Okay, and you can see the market demand of overall tech industry. Okay, so you can see market demand of all the technologies in tech industry. You can see highest demand is of machine learning engineer. Okay, machine learning has one of the highest demand. Then we have data scientist. Data scientist has the second highest demand. Okay, then you can also see data engineers, which also has a very good demand. Okay, so these are the top growing industries, okay, related to AI. And what are the salaries that you can expect? Okay, so when you are starting out, I mean, these are the salaries which are available. Okay, so obviously we need to target a higher salary amount. Okay, because this is a premium course, right? So we will train you on the basis of that so that you can get salary in this range. Okay, particularly we are targeting on the higher range, this range. Okay, so these salaries are for people who are not experienced much. We are going to target this salary. Okay, and you can also see the jobs growth. Okay, the growth of jobs for AI. Okay, so for AI you can see the jobs are ever growing. Even after COVID there was a little bit decline, but after COVID also the jobs increased at a very huge pace. Okay, so these kind of jobs related to AI are ever growing. With the coming of chat gpt and all those things, new jobs have been generated. Okay, people are saying, right, with chat gpt there are jobs are going for various fields, but that jobs are related to content writer, graphics, etc. Okay, whereas in tech industry the job roles have increased. There are new job roles which have come up with because of these gpts, Google Gemini, Meta, etc. Job roles related to Gen AI. Okay, so actually the jobs are going to increase in the future related to these technologies. Okay, now, why Future Ends? Okay, why do you need to join Future Ends or join specifically this program of AI and D? This is because you would get 3 internships. This is the first reason. Okay, because internships are very important things. So 90% of your learning will happen in internship. Okay, in the semester you are getting the knowledge. But in the internship you will work on the real industry projects with the real industry guys. Okay, so internships are very important. Plus you would get stipend also. Second thing is you would be mentored by the industry experts. So you would have a regular connect with people working in big AI companies like Ola Electric. Then we have, Airtel. Then we have Oyo. So you would be working with people who are into top industry, top startups who are working into AI domain. Aether Energy is also a company which has collaborated with us. So you would work with these kind of industry experts. Okay. Okay, so these are the program architects. These are the people who had initially framed the curriculum of our program. So these people are also working in big industries related to AI. So this person is chief data scientist. This is also into apply AI and research. This person is also into AI and big data consultancy. So this program is developed by people who are at a very high post into AI domain in the industry. Okay. Okay, next thing is you can see the office of Bangalore. Okay, so this is our office of Bangalore, Future Ends office. So you can see we have created this office in such a manner so that students can also visit the office sometimes, sit there and do their internships, do their learning, right? Second is we also have office in Delhi. So Delhi is nearby to our LPU campus. So this is our office in Delhi, which is created specifically to maintain our work also. Plus, our students can also visit the office and learn. Okay, so these are the overall benefits of the program. Okay, so what we expect from students. So first thing is we don't need your knowledge. Okay, currently it's okay if you currently don't have any knowledge. Okay, obviously we want people with a blank mind. Okay, it's okay if you don't know anything about AI. That is okay for us. Okay, so what we expect from you. First thing is you should be curious. Okay, you should be interested in AI and you should be curious about AI, that how these AI applications are being made, how ChatGPT is made, okay, how other AI applications are made, how are companies or applications integrating AI into their business. Okay, so you should be curious. Second thing is you should be consistent. Okay, I'm not saying hardworking. I'm saying consistent. Okay, even if you study, let's say 2 hours a day, that is enough. You don't need to study 8 hours every day. Okay, that is not possible because you are a student. Okay, you would have classes. You would need time to enjoy your college life also. You would be involved into sports also. So I'm not saying you have to every day you have to invest 8 hours into self study. No. Okay, you have to invest 2 hours every day for 4 years. 2 hours every day for 4 years. This is known as consistency. Okay, even if you are lazy, it does not matter. You have to just study, self study. Okay, I'm talking about self study, not classes. Classes is a different thing. So you have to do self study of 2 hours every day. So that is known as consistency. So second thing I need from you is consistency. So curiosity, consistency, and third thing is you should follow whatever your mentors are asking you. You should just submit yourself to the mentors. Okay, if mentor is asking you that create a LinkedIn profile, upload something on LinkedIn, create GitHub profile, create this project or do this, you have to follow everything blindly. Okay, because as a first year student, when you are entering into college, you don't know anything about these things, right? You don't know anything about AI, you don't know anything about these technologies. So initially you have to surrender yourself to the mentor because they know, they have been through this journey. They are already working into top companies. Okay, and they are the people who are handling your internships and placement. So you have to submit to them without any question. Yeah, once you get the knowledge, then you can obviously do your own thing, and you can ask for their guidance in order to complete your other task as well. Okay, so surrender to your mentors and professors. Okay, this is the third thing that I need. Okay, and obviously if you gain consistency, then no one can stop you to get a very high paying job in these domains. Okay, because AI is currently on the rise. Okay, and AI will keep on increasing in the coming years. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to just enter into this industry and study 2 hours every day. So you would be able to learn everything, whatever tools and technologies we discuss, right? The tools related to data science. You can also take a screenshot of this. Okay, if you are joining this program, before joining this program, just research about it. Okay, Python and SQL you might already have heard, right? So just search on it. What is NumPy? Okay, search what is NumPy. Search what is pandas. Search what is deep learning. Okay, machine learning also you might have heard, right? So just search on internet. Okay, search about AWS also. It is also a very important technology. Similarly, search about GenAI. Then what is generative AI? Okay, how is generative AI related to ChatGPT? Okay, how ChatGPT is using generative AI? Okay, so research about these things before coming to the campus. Okay. Okay, next thing is, other suggestion would be create a LinkedIn profile and GitHub profile and start sending connection requests to people. In LinkedIn, you will find everyone. Okay, every industry, every employee, every HR you will find on LinkedIn. So start sending connection requests to the people. Okay, and third thing is create a GitHub profile. Okay, currently you don't need to upload anything, but just explore what is GitHub. Okay, so these are some prerequisite which you have to do before entering into the program. Okay, and obviously there will be an interview process. Process would not test your technical skills. Okay, interview process will just see that whether you are interested in AI and whether you are curious about AI. Okay, because if you are not interested in just taking the program, then it is of no use to you. Okay, because we don't want your money. There are limited seats, right? We just have 65 to 70 seats. So we want students who really are interested into entering into this AI field. Okay, and because we are providing you extra benefits also, right? We are providing you 3 internships, mentorship through global professors. So we also want the correct students. Okay, so this is about future ends and this AIDE program. Okay, so yeah, over to Miss Asha ma'am for discussion related to admission.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Okay. Very good afternoon to everyone. Okay, I'll discuss about accreditation and ranking and how to get admission in this particular program that Mr. Ziad just had discussed. Just let me share the screen first. I hope my screen is visible.
Yes, your screen is visible. You can continue, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Okay, let's first discuss about accreditation and approvals. LPU, as everyone knows, that Lovely Professional University is NAC accredited with the grade of A++ and with the highest score, that is a 3.68 score on 4-point scale. And this is the highest score in first cycle of accreditation among all government and private university. And we also achieve highest score both the dual program in regular education as well as distance education. And this is the highest score, as I told you, among all the state private universities of India. Okay, and we are also accredited by the Council for Business School and Programs for business programs. And let's talk about approvals also. Whenever we start any program, we ensure that all the approval and accreditation that is required for that particular program we must have. And we are approved from the University Grants Commission, and we are for regular program as well as the distance education program. And we are also having approval for from National Council for Teacher Education, and that is for education programs. And recently we got NB accreditation for the BTech program, that is BTech Computer Science and Engineering, BTech Electronics and Communication, BTech Mechanical Engineering, and BTech Civil Engineering. And approval, we are also having the approval from Council of Architecture to run architecture program and design program. And similarly, we are having a approval from BCI, Bar Council of India, for law program, for pharmacy programs, Pharmacy Council of India. Similarly, for the physiotherapy programs, we are also having approval from the Indian Association of Physiotherapists. And now I'll tell you about the membership. We have membership from the International Association of Universities, AIU, and the Association of Indian Universities also, AIU and IAU. And we are also the member of Institute of International Education. And for ODL and online programs, we have approval from AICT, All India Council for Technical Education. Okay, we are also the member of Institute of Engineers. Now I'll discuss about ranking, and I'm feeling proud to share with you that just wait. We participated in World Universities with the Real Impact, and we got second rank in this particular ranking, and this was in the first attempt. LPU has scored a global band of 101 to 200 topmost universities. And in this particular ranking, all the topmost universities like MIT, Harvard University, Oxford University, they participated in this ranking, and we got second rank in this particular ranking. And now at a ranking of Institution of Innovation and Achievement, we got third rank in this particular ranking. Okay, we are not doing wonders in education field, but in other co-curricular activities also. And everyone knows that we created history in Olympics. 12 out of 13 LPU students, they won medals in this Olympic Games. And not only they made our university proud, but whole of the nation. And recently, we have one more achievement, and that is Maulana Abdul Kalam Makad Sports Trophy. And we are the first ever university which clinches this title since its inception in 1956. And it's the Sports Honor of India, awarded to the overall top performing universities in sports. And it is being awarded by the Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India. And our students, they did wonders in Asian Games also. And who doesn't know him, Neeraj Chopra, he recently he clinches the Lawson Diamond League with the best throw of 89.08 meter. These are the glimpses of the achievement of our students in sports. And not only in sports, but in academics also. In 2019, LPU hosted Indian Science Congress, 106th Indian Science Congress. And not only the audience in this particular event, not only from our country, but international audience was also there. And it was inaugurated by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi ji. And see, we make sure that all the renowned personalities in every field, they visit the university. And who doesn't know him, he's a spiritual leader, Dalai Lama ji. And see, two former presidents with our Honorable Chancellor Shri Ashok Mittal ji. We see our students are doing wonders when multiple reasons are behind it, and we always motivate our students, whichever idea they have in their mind, and if they want to pursue with that, we always motivate and inspire, and we not motivate only, we also help financial our students. So this is one of the event Shri Arun Jaitley ji inaugurated LPU startup school. These are the glimpses of convocation. And spiritual leader Gaur Gopal Das ji, he guided our students how to maintain the balance between mental health and education. Bollywood celebrities. So we always say that you name them and we have in our campus. MS Dhoni, Prabhudeva. So, okay, I'm again feeling proud to share with you one more achievement. We won Guinness World Record for the largest Bhangra team under one roof. And now, not only in the education field, in extra curricular and other co-curricular activities, but infrastructure-wise also, our university as the top of at the top. I mean, this is, okay, let me discuss about its infrastructure. This is open air auditorium. And this is the auditorium with the 2,500 seating capacity. All the big events like webinars, seminars are being conducted here. Then our labs, fully furnished labs, library, it is open, it remains open till 12. And this is a uni mall. I mean, LPU is not only a university, it is itself a big city, we can say that. All the basic needs and basic commodity you can have in one campus only, within the campus only, sorry. So this is the uni mall, where you can meet all your needs, and gymnasium. And we don't inspire the student, motivate the student to participate in other activities or in education field, but we also take care of the health of our students. We have one hospital, uni hospital within the campus with the 30 bed capacity, and staffed with the physiotherapist and medical officers. Solar panels to generate electricity. And this is the view of our campus, lush green campus. Then this is the view in the dark also. See how it is sparkling. And well, badminton court. I mean, we are providing all the facilities required for the grooming of our students. Shooting range, basketball court. Then this is all weather Olympic size swimming pool. Okay, as Mr. Ziad had discussed about this in BTech CSE in collaboration with the Futurance. So you must want to know that how to get admission in this particular program. So let me discuss. I'll discuss and I'll guide you how to. Whichever I had discussed, I mean, this all information is available on our website, and I'll tell you the path also. And so it's better I'll advise you all to come live on our website. Just wait. I hope my screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am. Screen is visible.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for confirming. Okay. If you want to visit our university, then let me tell you the path. This is lp.in. This is the homepage of our university. If you want to know about, just like I had discussed, infrastructure, accreditation, ranking, placement, whichever information you want to have, you can have from our website. And now I'll take you to that program. So there are on this homepage, you can click on admissions, and admissions on the basis of 10th, 12th, graduation, after post-graduation, then PhD programs. You can find the information for that particular program, how to get admission in that, what is the fee and what is the scholarship. So let's click on regular program, and you can select from here CSE. All the computer science engineering programs are available on this page. So just like sir had discussed about feature, so this is BTech CSE AI and data engineering in tie-ups with Futurance. So let me discuss first. It's eligibility. Eligibility for this particular program is 60% aggregate marks with physics, mathematics, and English. And with that, you must clear this LPU Nest, or you have valid score in JEE Mains. After clearing LPU Nest, or after you have, if you have JEE Mains score, valid score, then after that you have to appear in the interview. So what is the eligibility? 60% aggregate marks in 12th with the physics, mathematics, and English. If you have not studied English as a subject, and if you have done your +1, +2, you can say if your medium of instruction was English, then even then you can get the admission. Then after this test, whether JW or LPU Nest, you have to appear and clear the interview. That will be conducted by the Futurance Technology. And if you want to know about the guidelines of this particular, for this interview, you can click on that, click here to view the interview guidelines. You can have all the guidelines from here. Okay, then let me discuss about curriculum of that particular program had already been discussed by Mr. Ziad in very detail, that how the students are getting internship, after which semester they are getting internship with the Futurance, and how much stipend they might have. All these things had already been discussed. So I'll discuss about fee. If I'm talking about fee, fee depends upon the caliber of the student. So more higher the caliber, lower will be the fee. And the standard fee is 2 lakh per semester. But if you have, just like I told you, either you have valid score in your JEE, or you must clear our LPU Nest. if you had appeared and cleared our LP Nest and with you are falling in the category 1 cutoff, then your scholarship will be 20% of your program fee. That will be 40,000. And this is the integral part of fee. In that case, your fee will become 1,60,000 per semester. Or if your percentage in 12th is 95% or more, sorry. Even then you have this category 1 scholarship, highest scholarship, that is 40,000, 20% of your program fee. And or your JE percentile is equal to or more than 95 per your JE percentile. And if you're falling in the category 2 in the LPUNS score, or your 12th mark is more than 90 or less than 95, mean more than 90 or equal to less than equal to 94.99, then your scholarship will become 50% of your program fee. That will be 30,000. And your fee will become 1,70,000 in that case. And if you are falling in the category 3 of your cutoff, or your percentage is 80 to 89.99, then your scholarship will become 10% of your program fee, that is 20,000, and your fee will become 1,80,000. Now, how to get admission? And if you want to appear in the LPU Nest, that will be is being conducted in 2 modes. That is remotely proctored or center-based. It is up to the student whether he want to appear from his or her home, or want to appear in the center. You can apply accordingly. As I told you, we are having various scholarship, percentage of your 12th, then LPUNS, then CUT, JE, and we are having other scholarships also. Scholarship based on innovation, startup, and entrepreneurship. Suppose you have some idea in your mind and you want to go with that, then we are also helping in that, and you are getting scholarship on the basis of that also. If you don't want to do job and you want to become entrepreneur, even then we people are going to help you out financially. And we are having financial aid also, financial aid on the basis on serving retired defense, CAPF, paramilitary personnel and their dependents. And how to apply. So first of all, when you are going to visit our university, www.lpu.in or admission.lpu.in, there is an apply now button. You can click on that, and you have to fill all the basic information, your name, gender, your male state, and your mobile number, and you will get OTP. In that, with this, you will get registered with us. And after that, you can go to admission.lpu.in, and you will be having, when you are going to register, after registration or after signing up, you will get a login ID and password, and you can log in with that. And after signing up, if you have your percentile in JEE 80 percentile or above, this LPU Nest condition may be waived off in eligibility, but you have to apply. I mean, you have to fill this application form, whether you want to appear in this or not. See if your score is less than JEE in that case, and you are not having a valid score, you had not appeared in CUT in that, sorry, you have not valid score, or valid score mean percentile in JEE is less than 80 percentile, then you need to appear in our LPU Nest. In that case, you have to fill the application just like signing up. I had told you, then you can apply for LPU Nest, then you can book the exam slot, and you can select whether you want to go for remotely proctored exam or center-based exam. And after appearing and after clearing this exam, you're okay. When you are going to appear in this exam, within 48 hours, you will get your result. After clearing this exam, then you have to go for interview. Then you have to book the interview slot also. And after appearing and after clearing this interview, you can take the admission. And this is all about how to get admission and what is the fee and all the necessary information. And now let me discuss about the important dates, until which date you can apply. See, registration has already been started for this phase, 1st June onwards. Just like I told you, when you are going to appear, result will be declared within 48 hours, and you have to apply this test 3 days before. Suppose you want to appear in this exam, we can say that on 14th of June. Then you have to apply and book the slot on 11th. And after appearing, see, after getting result, then candidate can opt for any preferred interview slot within 2 to 7 days after declaration of your LBUNest result. And the result of interview will be declared within 24 hours. And after that, within 7 days, we can take the admission. So last date of admission is 20th of June. So I'll suggest to you, if you want to get admission in this program, you have to apply as soon as possible. And preferably, if you can do today or tomorrow, it will be better. Because you need to appear in the interview also, in the test also, if you have not your good JEE score. So this is all from my side. If you have any query, you can ask, please.
Thank you so much, Ms. Asha Rani. Can you please stop sharing your screen? Thank you, ma'am. Can we take questions, Mr. Ziyad, Dr. Ankita, and Ms. Asha Rani?
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah, sure.
Yes, sir. Thanks for giving me a chance to address your questions. And now let's start with first question. Adil is asking here, what role does strategic networking play in achieving success in the AI field?
Good question, Adil. So see, if you want to get a success in any field, not only AI, you should be able to network with people. Okay, what is the reason of it? So currently, see, if you are applying for a job through any of the portal, okay, let's say you're applying through Naukri.com, okay, so thousands of people are applying for a job, okay. For each job application, you will get at least 2,000 to 5,000 applicants. So in that case, how will your resume get accepted? You are fighting with lots of people, right? So how does and also it is a very huge task for company that shortlisting all the resumes, calling everyone for interviews, checking which person is best. So it is also a very time consuming process for companies. Okay, so what do companies do? Companies approach their employees. Okay, let's say I'm working in Amazon, for example. So Amazon will tell me that, hey Zia, if you have any good reference of candidate, please suggest. We will take the interview directly. Okay. So if Adil, you are connected with me, I will give your reference to the manager or to the HR, and they will contact you directly, ask your resume, and they will directly take your interview. Okay. So your whole process, your whole hard work is getting eliminated, and you would directly be able to sit in the interview. Okay. So that is very important that if you want to work in some certain company, let's say you want to work in Google, Amazon, or any other XYZ company, you should be connected with the employees of that company, and that employees can refer you to their managers or to their HRs, and you can get a job easily. So this is the best proven way to get a job instead of applying for thousands of jobs or hundreds of jobs through online portal. I hope that answers your question.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ziyad. Someone is asking here, what are the essential steps and roadmap to transition from a beginner to a proficient AI professional?
Okay, so first step is learning part. Okay, so roadmap, I think I showed you all the tools, right? All the tools and technologies. But if you want a proper roadmap, that what is the first step, what you have to do, then obviously join the program. We will guide you for that because understanding the roadmap requires a lot of time. But telling the basic one, neglecting all the tools. First is you have to learn the tools. Then you have to create mini projects for each concept. You have to create mini projects. Then you have to create an industrial project. Okay, so the main disadvantage of projects in AI is data is not available. That is the major disadvantage. Okay. But we have the data because we have done tie-ups with various companies. So we have the mock data of the company. So each company provides us mock data for our students to work on. So once you create mini projects, next step would be we would give you the real problems of industries, real mock data of industries that you can work on. So third step is creating the industrial projects. Fourth step is improving your communication, improving your resume, improving your GitHub profile, LinkedIn profile, etc. And then start applying for job. Okay. And if I talk about technical roadmap, then first step is you should know how to collect the data, how to maintain the data in various sources, which is the role of data engineer. So first you have to learn data engineering. After data engineering, there will be analysis part. So once you have collected the data, now comes the role of data analyst. So now you have to learn tools to clean the data. Okay, you have to clean the data, transform the data, analyze the data. So that is the role of data analyst. Then comes the role of data scientist. Okay, then data scientist would apply some statistics or complicated algorithms in that data and try to get meaning. Okay, data science is more advanced than data analysis. Okay, so data science would also apply some algorithms, apply some advanced stats into the data and get some more insights or be able to predict what is going to happen in the future. So this is about data science. Then you have further steps also like applying deep learning concepts, NLP. Then we have AI engineer roles, ML engineer, whose task is to work on some complex algorithms. Once you learn all this, then comes Gen AI. Okay, in Gen AI, I would not go into details of Gen AI because that would become a bit complicated. But yeah, this is the step that you need to follow in your journey.
Thank you so much, Mr. Ziad, Ms. Asha Rani, and Dr. Ankita. I hope all the participants got the answers from our experts. As we come to the end of this webinar, I want to express my deepest gratitude to our experts for sharing their valuable insights and expertise with us. Your presence, enthusiasm, and active participation have made this experience truly special. Hopefully, the attendees found this webinar to be valuable and will be able to utilize the information for better decision making regarding your admission. If anyone want to access this webinar again, they can visit our website, that is lpu.in, or can be accessed on YouTube also. Stay connected with us for future webinars. Until we meet again, with the permission of my seniors, I would be signing off this webinar. Take care and goodbye. Have a beautiful day.